The 2026 FIFA World Cup is the biggest sporting event on the planet, 48 nations, 104 matches, and one global fantasy league built for it. This is Brackets League World Tournament, the first fantasy football platform that works for everyone, whether you're a Web2 player signing in with Gmail, or a Web3 native connecting your Solana wallet. The homepage lays it all out. 2 ways to play: free tier to get started with no entry fee, or premier tier for full tournament access across every round from the group stage all the way to the final. $10. One squad. The whole World Cup. Head over to Matches and you get the full 2026 World Cup schedule, every fixture, every group, every kickoff time. As the tournament progresses, live scores and results update right here. You can click on View Group to get the latest group stats. To view match details, select the match of your choice. Here you can view match date in your local time zone, city, venue, scoreline and other information. Click All Match to return to match page. Standings gives you the real-time FIFA group table, all 8 groups, points, goal difference, and qualification status. Know who's through, who's on the bubble, and who's going home early. This matters for your fantasy picks. Browse all 48 nations in the tournament. Click into any country to see their full squad, every player, their position, age, height, and fantasy value. Use this to scout before you draft. Knowledge is points. The global leaderboard ranks every manager in the league by total fantasy points. Updated after every match. This is where bragging rights live. Climb the table round by round and take your shot at the top. Your team's dashboard shows all your squads at a glance. Players selected, budget spent, round status, and your global rank. Manage transfers, lock your team before each round deadline, and track your points as the tournament unfolds. Sign up free in under 60 seconds, Gmail, Facebook, or your Solana wallet. The World Cup kicks off June 11th. Your squad won't build itself. Get in early, get in smart, and let's see who's got the best eye for football. Links in the description. Follow for tutorials, updates, and World Cup content. Brackets, fantasy football for the world's biggest tournament. See you on the leaderboard.